Hi everyone. Are you an Angular developer who is looking for a job change? Are you an Angular developer who is planning to brush up your skills in Angular? Are you a fresher who is looking for an Angular front-end developer role? And you have interviews in the coming weeks or coming months, and you are about to face a real interview. So before you are facing the real interview, this is your chance to connect with us for free mock interviews. Yes, you heard it right. It is free, absolutely free mock interviews. Regarding the interview details, so we would be conducting mock interviews in the below combinations. The first one is only Angular, and the second combination is Angular plus HTML plus CSS plus JavaScript, and the third combination would be HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So the combination that you are interested in, so you can provide the combination for to our mail ID learnwithvaishu@gmail.com. Regarding the requirements to attend the interview, the first requirement is you have to have an environment or an IDE to run the code and view the output. So the environment that I am using is like Visual Studio Code or StackBlitz. You can have your own preferred editor, but you have to make sure that we will be able to run the code and view the output. And the second one requirement is please try to attend the interview in laptop, because we can have like hands-on sessions on the interview questions rather than making it very theoretic, right? So we have to have practical sessions on the interview questions, and we have to demonstrate how you are actually implementing those features. The third one is Microsoft Teams. So the interview would be scheduled through Microsoft Teams, so you can download and install it for free. And there are some details that is required. You can actually mail it to my mail ID, which is mentioned earlier, learnwithvaishu@gmail.com. So from the previous slide, you have to mention which combination of interview that you are looking for and how you need to be contacted. You can provide your email ID and your skill set and your experience in years. Like if you are if you are an Angular developer who is having like 4 years of experience, or you are a fresher with 0 years of experience, so you can mention those details. And preferred time slot for interview, mention at least 3. So based on my availability, I will let you know. So you can mention like weekdays and weekends, any preferred time according to you. And disclaimer, so just read the disclaimer, because I am not an expert. I am still learning the Angular skills. So this interview is just intended to boost your confidence level and enable you to crack the interviews. Okay, so that is the only intention behind this particular mock interview sessions. And the interview would be recorded and uploaded into my YouTube channel. Okay, so I am maintaining a YouTube channel, so Videos to Learn, and the sole purpose of recording and uploading it into the Videos to Learn is like for the upcoming students, right? So that would be really helpful. And we would not be disclosing your identity, like your name and company details would never be shared. So for that, actually you have to make sure that only the code editor or notepad window is open during the interview. So you should not show your name or something like that. So in between the video, we would not be able to hide that. So it is your duty to share only the code editor and notepad during the interview process. And this would so the intention that I have mentioned earlier, so this video would be helping the front-end developer community to get an idea about different interview questions. So thanks a lot for your time for listening to this. So I hope you would be connecting with me for free mock interviews. Thanks.